लिखें। द गवर्नर ऑफ द पंजाब हैज़ सेड all the things about the police that the average citizen has been saying privately. Full stop. Methods of investigation used by it are outmoded and militate against democratic norms, human dignity and decency. Full stop. The police resorts to violence against citizens without proven guilt and cover up their excesses through a brotherhood of mutual concealment. Full stop. Once inside the presidents of a police station, no one is safe, men are subjected to undignified treatment, even torture, and women are sometimes raped. Full stop. As a result, no self-respecting person is willing to enter a police station even if his testimony is crucial to the saving of an honest citizen. Full stop. Gross victimization takes place in the case of those persons who are either uninformed of their rights under the law or are unable to defend them. Full stop. The power of the police in the eyes of innocent citizens is the use of third degree methods. Full stop. This power is enhanced by the fact that senior police officials do not inspect the lower echelons in their operation, and the judicial authorities collaborate with the police functionaries instead of monitoring their conduct in the light of legal norms. Full stop. The governor has been forced to speak out because of a rash of cases where the police has been seen as acting against the innocent and the law abiding. Full stop. A number of citizens allegedly killed by the police in an encounter have been killed through torture upon exhumation. Full stop. Police spirited members of the society have been prevented by the police in their anti-narcotic campaigns. Full stop. A large number of innocent but illiterate citizens in the rural areas are regularly brutalized by the police in the local thana and forced to submit to extortion. Full stop. Words of all, the police collaborates with the feudal aristocracy in the countryside and the urban aristocracy in the cities against the interests of the common man. Full stop. Feudal and urban upper crust has developed a behavior which violates legal norms applicable to others and the foremost cause of this is the biased operation of the police. Full stop. Rich men and their sons are exempt from the reach of law, and the rising graph of crime in our midst increasingly indicates involvement of the privileged class. Full stop. Since the police is not in the habit of acting against them, most of the serious cases are not properly investigated. Full stop. A recent overnight conviction of sons of aristocrats under martial law points to this flaw of the system. Full stop.